Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete comment history on TikTok. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok app. Once you're here, you need to go to Profile on the bottom right corner. From here, you need to tap on Menu on the top right corner, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, if you scroll down, you'll get to see an option that says Comment and Watch History. Tap on it. And here you will get to see comment history. Enter comment history. So you can see all your comments in this section. So tap on the comment you want to delete. And as you can see, I'm redirected to the comment here. Tap and hold it and then tap on delete. And as you can see, the comment has been deleted. Now if you go back to comment history, you will notice that this comment has disappeared from your comment history. So this way you can go ahead and delete all the comments one by one. So that is how you can delete comment history on TikTok. You need to delete each comment individually in order to clear it all up.